If you're wondering how to change the graphic equalizer settings on your Beacon 330 Bluetooth Robert speaker, it's actually very easy to do. We have 5 different settings, and the first one will be normal, second one is classic, next one's bass boost, then we've got outdoors, then we've got speech. So you can play some music and you can go through each of them to see what you like the most. So in this video here, I'm just going to show you how to do it. I won't be playing music because of copyright, but you'll get the idea. So when your Bluetooth speaker is on, which it is now, we just have to tap the power button. Don't hold it down because it will turn off. You just need to tap it, and then these lights will light up here, and every time we hit the plus or minus on the volume will change the graphic equalizer settings, and the lights will indicate what you're on here. So let me just quickly show you that now. You can see now it's there, and look, can you see it's flashing constantly? That means it's on speech, this one here. It's already turned itself off, so let's just do that there, and then if I hit this one, now it's going to go to solid. The solid is normal because you can see it's solid. If we hit it again, it goes off so quick you'll have to keep doing this. If we hit it one more time, it's now flashing once, so we're on classic. Hit it again, it will now be flashing twice for bass boost. Hit it again, it will flash 4 times for outdoors. Hit it again, it will go to speech, where it's flashing all the time. You can hit minus and it will go back the other way, so it's now going up the scale. And then once you've got it on what you want, so right now that's twice, so that's going to be bass boost, then just leave it for a few seconds. As you've seen earlier in the video, it then just reverts back to normal operation like that. So that's it, just tap the button there and then just keep scrolling through either with the plus or the minus to get to the setting you want, and the lights will indicate what it is. So if you have a close look here, you can see clearly what each of them are. So that's it, that's how to do the graphic equalizer settings on a Beacon 330. Thanks for watching.